What you're watching here is a local utility contractor digging the trench to run the gas line from the main gas line that services the whole subdivision up to the house. Now, a gas line is dangerous, and it will always be dangerous. And it is so important for public safety that the utility company doesn't even give you a choice about who's going to do the work. They want their people to do the job, and that is fine with me. As you can see, having this mini excavator and a dump truck and some tradesmen who are properly trained at their jobs makes a task like this quick and easy. All right, so these boys have been digging diligently here for a couple hours. It's a hot afternoon, and they've successfully come out over the top of all my French drains. I don't know if you can see that. They've uncovered the gas line. It looks to be about a 2-inch. Probably high pressure, whatever high pressure is. I'll get that information for you. Come across a French drain. It has to be at least 24 inches deep, and they've got every bit of that. There we go. This trench has to be at least 24 inches deep, and they've got all of that for sure. Back over this way, across a French drain. There's the gas line. Can you see that, I hope? Now, eventually, this whole area is going to be under a concrete driveway. That's going to make accessing this pipe for any repairs in the future difficult, to say the least. But overall, it's the best location because the concrete will add a serious layer of protection, and it'll spread out the weight of the cars, ensuring that this gas pipe will be safe and sound deep in the ground, never being disturbed or jostled in any way at all. If this gas line ever does need to be located and worked on, this metal sounding wire will help locate the pipe for maintenance. We did the same thing with the water line and the sewer line. But in this case, we're adding the yellow caution tape in case anyone is ever digging in this area and is unaware of our gas line. The hope is they will see the caution tape, slow down, and pay attention, knowing that there is something dangerous just below the tape. It's holding a lot of pressure over to the tap with the sounding wire in place all the way over. Clear over to the tap. And if it holds pressure for 10 minutes, we're good to go. This whole process is pretty much the same as installing a water line. You use the proper material, you set it at the proper depth, you lay a sounding wire alongside the pipe so it can be located later, you check it for leaks, you cover and pack the pipe in sand to protect it from any rocks rubbing against it, and then backfill and compact the dirt. Mission accomplished. Thanks for watching Essential Craftsman, and keep up the good work.